everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Snapchat device ban. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if your Snapchat app has been banned, if your Snapchat app has been banned on a particular device, for example this can be in this device, so there are plenty of reasons why that could happen. First thing, if you have violated any of the Snapchat's guideline. Second thing is if you have been going through some kind of continuous error, or if you have too many accounts in a same device, that kind of situation can cause the issue of Snapchat banning your device. Unfortunately, once the device has been banned, even if you go to the support, you will not be able to change that up or solve it. So what you have to do is you simply have to go ahead and log in your existing account to another device, or you have to create a new Snapchat account to see if that might work, or try to simply access it from the website itself, so that might work as well. Those are the only available option for you to simply access the Snapchat account again. Otherwise, unfortunately, even the Snapchat support itself cannot help you. You need to simply have to access your Snapchat from another device itself. That is it for this video. Hope this video was informative enough. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.